What's up, y'all? Matt here from extra8hours.com, and today we're going to be talking about how you can do. What are we talking about? We're going to be doing a beginner's guide to lucid dreaming. All right, that's what we're doing, and I'm going to try to keep this as simple as possible, just because when you're first getting into lucid dreaming, it can be kind of difficult. It seems kind of like this grandiose thing that you're never going to be able to do. But the truth is, if you know what to do and you just do the simple things first, build the foundation. Lucid dreaming is so easy, man. It's not complicated. It's so simple. It's just a matter of building the foundational pieces, right? If you don't have a foundation, right, it's just like anything else. If you don't have any foundation on a house and you build a grand house and you're trying to get to the top, which is lucid dreaming, you're going to fall, right? And the truth is, with lucid dreaming, if you just get like 3 foundational key pieces, you can do it, all right? It's not as complex as people make it out to be. All right, so I'm going to go over them in this video, and the first piece is going to be dream recall. The second piece is setting intentions, and the third piece is visualization. All right. So, and there's actually a fourth piece, but we'll get into that later. So, the first piece, dream recall. How can we improve our dream recall? Now, if you're like most people, you might even say that you don't have dreams every night, or that you haven't had a dream in years. But the truth of the matter is, you have dreams every night. Okay, unless you have some sort of sleep disorder or a sleep problem, you're going to be having dreams every night. The thing is, you're just not remembering your dreams. And this is a whole bunch of reasons, but mainly it's because your dreams are stored in a short-term memory, and as soon as you wake up and move, they're gone, right? They're not in your long-term memory. They're just kind of like RAM on a computer. It's just gone. So what we really need to do is find a way to get these dreams from your short-term memory into your long-term memory. And there's actually some easy ways to do this, mainly by keeping a dream journal. And if you've been in this kind of circle looking at how to become a lucid dreamer for a little bit now, you've definitely heard of a dream journal. And all that really is basically that as soon as you wake up, you're going to write your dreams in a journal. Not too complicated. And I'll make a full video on how to do that later on, but getting into the details. But really, all you really need to know for now is that when you wake up, try not to move. So imagine I'm asleep right now. I'm sleeping sitting up. But imagine I'm asleep. As soon as I wake up, I open my eyes. Try not to move too much. Try not to think about any other things. A really bad habit a lot of people have is they reach to their phone and go on their phone, check their notifications. This is just overloading your brain with a bunch of sensory input. It's probably going to just distract you, and you're not going to remember your dreams. What you really want to do is try to take a second, okay? 1 second, sit there and think, ask yourself, what did I dream last night? Was it about, were you dreaming of cars, fire trucks? Were you dreaming of any people, any social events that you're at lately? Just take the time to really think and concentrate on what you were dreaming about the night before. And that's really just right there. That's going to take your dream recall and put it to 2 or 3 levels above where it was before. Oh, notification. Another thing you can do to improve your dream recall is doing something I like to call setting intentions the night before. All right, and what that means is basically that you want to make it so that your dreams are the first thing you think of in the morning and the last thing you think of at night. All right, so the way you do this is right before you go to sleep, you want to set your intentions that you're going to remember your dreams tonight. And to do this, it's very simple. It's just like how you'd set your intentions for anything else. Say you're going to do it. As you're laying in bed, again, I'm back in bed sitting up, I'm saying, I am going to remember my dreams tonight. Oh, excuse me. Just say it. I am going to remember my dreams tonight. And what that's going to do is it's going to let you speak to your subconscious mind in a sort of way where as soon as you wake up tomorrow morning, you're going to be thinking about your dreams. And while you're dreaming, you might even think, oh, I'm supposed to be remembering this. I got to remember this. And when you wake up, bam, you wake up, oh, I got to remember this. Let me think of what it was and write it down. All right. And then when you write it down, you're going to crystallize it into your dream journal, and it's going to be there forever. And it's going to be another way to kind of have a hard record of it and put it more and more and more into your long-term memory. And that's just what we want. So once you're able to kind of remember your dreams, then we're going to start moving into some techniques to actually lucid dream, because the truth of the matter is, if you can't remember your dreams, it doesn't matter if you're good at lucid dreaming, because you don't remember your dreams. I mean, you could be lucid dreaming tonight for all you know, and you don't remember your dreams. For a lot of people, they say, like, once they start remembering their dreams, they start to see, oh, I was actually more aware in my dreams than I thought, or these also crazy things that are happening in my dreams I never knew. It's just such a foundational key. You have to be able to do it. All right. See here how we're doing for time. 5 minutes. Going a little long. All right. So as for the actual technique to do lucid dreaming, I'm going to give you the most powerful technique, right? That's a great grammatical sentence, but the most effective technique for lucid dreaming is called mild, and you compound it with wake back to bed method, all right? And when you compound both these things, you get lucid dreams. This is the easiest way to lucid dream for beginners, okay? So here's what you do. First, you're going to go to bed like normal at night, all right? Just go to bed however you go to bed now. Do your nighttime routine. Hopefully you take a bath, sleep in a cold room, sleep in a dark room. These things will all make it easier for you to go to sleep. Not necessary, just go to sleep normally, okay? And then approximately 4.5 hours or 6 hours later, you're going to wake up. All right, and it's very important that you wake up at one of those periods, because what we're doing is we're going to wake up at the end of a sleep cycle when we're supposed to be dreaming. All right, and a sleep cycle is 90 minutes, so it would be 3, my math's terrible, 90, 3 hours. Okay, so 3 sleep cycles later is 4.5 hours later, you're going to wake up, and you're going to wake up in a dream, because you should be dreaming at this time. And what you're going to do is you're going to write down your dream, all right, write it in your dream journal. I was dreaming, I was flying through the sky, and I saw a hawk, and the hawk bit my toe, and my toe fell off. I don't know. Whatever your dream was, write down your dream, and then you're going to go back to bed. But here's what you're going to do. You're not just going to go straight back to sleep. You're going to lay there, and you're going to think. All right, you're going to think, I am going to go lucid in my dream. I am going to go lucid in my dream. Say something very similar to that. Say that you have to set the intention very strongly that you're going to have a dream and you're going to go lucid in your dream. And then, that's not all, and then you're going to close your eyes and visualize the dream you were just in that you wrote down. So we were flying and a hawk bit off your toe. You're going to sit there, think about the dream, imagine you're flying again, continue the dream. Imagine you're flying, there's a hawk, it's biting your toe, and then it takes it off and you don't feel any pain. And you're going to imagine yourself realizing it's a dream. So you're going to think, hey, that's weird. My toe just got bitten off by a hawk, but it didn't hurt. I must be dreaming. And then you're going to imagine yourself becoming lucid in your dream. All right? And you're going to go between both these things, just thinking, I'm going to become lucid, and imagining the dream you were just in, continuing it, and seeing yourself becoming lucid, seeing yourself becoming conscious in your dream until you fall asleep. And then hopefully you're going to become lucid in your dream. And that's it. Right? This is the most effective technique. It works the best I've found. I've found the most effective for beginners. I mean, especially when you're just starting off, you want to keep it simple, stupid. We can get a lot more into the details of how to make this more complicated, more effective, and get longer lucid dreams. But just do what I told you in this video. Get your dream recall up first. That should take no longer. Then you can do it in the night, really. And then go to bed, wake up 4.5 hours later, write down your dreams, and then go back to sleep with the intent to lucid dream. Very, very strong intention, right? Keep saying it to yourself. I'm going to have a lucid dream tonight. I'm going to have a lucid dream tonight. I'm going to have a lucid dream tonight. And visualize yourself in the dream becoming lucid, and this will get you results. I promise you, all right, if you do what I tell you in this video, you're going to get results. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't happen the first time, though, okay? This is a process. It's kind of like working out. Imagine you were trying, or swimming maybe. Imagine you tried to jump straight into the deep end and try to do your doggy paddle. You might drown if you don't really know what you're doing. It takes practice, so just practice, do it for a few nights, and you'll probably see results. Maybe not, some people take longer, some people will get it in the first night, but keep doing it, keep your head up, and I'll see you later. Wait. One more thing I want to mention is that I'm going to click on this video. Wait, I forgot. I'm going to make a video on how to improve your dream recall next, okay? So I'm going to put a link right there. If it's not there now, it will be there later. Click on that link, okay? And we'll take you to the video, and I'll show you how to really improve your dream recall and take it from, getting 1 dream a night to getting 2 or 3 a night, no problem, all right? So thank you for watching, and have a good day.